Hey guys, Brianne here, Product Marketing Manager at vFairs. We've just released some really exciting updates and new features this past quarter, so let's get into them. Firstly, check out this AI-powered chatbot. It acts as an in-event assistant for your attendees. So imagine you're an attendee at an event and you can't find that session that you've been dying to go to. All your attendee needs to do is open up the mobile app, ask it a question, and get exactly the information that they need. For example, getting the session information, where and when the session's taking place. And it's super easy for you to set up too. All you need to do is train your chatbot on frequently asked questions and your event data. This will shift your focus away from answering attendee queries all day and towards making sure your event runs smoothly. Now let's check out our facial recognition for on-site event check-in. If you have hundreds or thousands of people at your on-site event, check-in can create bottlenecks, and it doesn't kick off the attendee experience the right way if they're waiting in long lineups just to get checked in. Not to mention, it's difficult to validate whether the person checking in is actually the ticket holder. This is where facial recognition comes in. You can check people in and validate their ID in literally a flash just by scanning their face. If you have facial recognition enabled in your badge printing app and your attendees have profile pictures the AI can compare against at the venue, all you have to do on site is open the badge printing app, click facial recognition, and start scanning. Let's jump into the back end for a second. If your organization is hosting lots of events across multiple departments or locations, we know you want one single place to go and manage everything that's happening. That's why we've rolled out our organization level dashboard where you can go and manage all of your events, teams, tasks, assets, and view performance metrics all from one place. Rather than jumping from event to event, it's all right there in front of you. Okay, if you're hosting trade shows, this next section is for you. Firstly, let's talk about the task manager. It can be so frustrating for organizers and exhibitors if tasks and requirements aren't laid out clearly leading up to the event. Now, exhibitors have a dedicated space where they can track the tasks that they need to accomplish and by when. The organizer can set up tasks with relevant descriptions, deadlines, even documents, and the exhibitors can go through and check off tasks as they go. Exhibitors can even get an email notification when they have new assigned tasks, and organizers can get email notifications once tasks are completed. Now, if you haven't seen our drag and drop floor plan builder, let me introduce you. The builder lets you design your own custom trade show floor. You can even tag booths with info and pricing and then publish it to your exhibitor landing page. This lets your exhibitors choose the booth that they want to purchase right from your floor plan. You also need to check out our new booth builder. This is perfect for letting your exhibitors build exactly the booth that they want. With the new booth builder, your exhibitors can manage all of their content and design aspects in one place and see updates reflected in their booth in real time. Okay, let's check out what you can do with job fairs now. We just launched a ton of great new features in our job fair platform that will make it so much easier for prospects to find their perfect opportunity and for employers to find qualified candidates and track the hiring process in the event. Let's talk about what's new for attendees first. Within our job board, attendees can make use of so many filters to be able to find the exact jobs they're looking for. They can search by location, by employer, whether there's a salary listed in the job description, or even by keyword. Then they can set up job alerts based on the criteria that they're looking for and get emailed anytime a new job is posted that fits the criteria. They'll also get recommended jobs based on their profile details and can explore job boards on external site pages. Once a job has been applied to in the event, it'll be marked as applied so they don't keep applying to the same opportunities. Let's walk through the features for hiring teams now. Employers can set up application steps within the event. So for example, they can accept cover letters, resumes, and they can even set up screening questions within the application module. Just like the attendees, employers can also search and filter based on advanced criteria that they're looking for. They can get recommendations based on the jobs that they've set up in the event, and they can set up alerts as well to be emailed whenever a new candidate matches their job description. They can also download resumes and export files to a CSV. Within each job, hiring managers can also see how many people have viewed their job, how many have applied, and how many are further along in the hiring process. One really great feature for employers who are managing multiple candidates who are at different stages in the pipeline is the ability to update their status as they move through the hiring process. So now they can track who's applied, who's shortlisted, who's been interviewed, who's been hired, and who's been rejected. A little cherry on top of this is that you can do a lot of these activities through the chat platform. So if you're having a conversation with a candidate, you can view their profile, download their resume, even tag their status without ever leaving the chat room. That's all for this quarter. If you want to check out even more updates or learn more about the ones we talked about today, contact us at sales@vFairs.com.